easier to breathe. It's easier to get up off my knees, care about the food between my teeth when she's beside me. It's easier to laugh, care about the dripping of our tie, come to terms with the day I had when she's beside me. Still I said go, do what you have to, as long as you're back soon. Do what you have to. It's easier to list things I often keep behind my lips, like talk about the mother that I miss when she's beside me. It's easier to wait here beside the sun that we both raised, and stand before another day and wish it was another day where you were here and I knew you were safe. Still I said go,